So today we are diving deep into the world of Indian cuisine with a dish that's absolutely bursting with flavor, butter chicken. This creamy, indulgent curry is a true crowd pleaser, and for a good reason. Tender chicken pieces are marinated in the yogurt and spices, then cooked in a rich tomato-based gravy, infused with butter, cream, and a touch of sweetness. Whether you are a seasoned cook or just starting out, this recipe is surprisingly easy to make at home. We'll guide you through every step from marinating the chicken to creating the signature buttery sauce. So grab your ingredients and get ready to savor the aromas. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 500 grams chicken, boneless and cut in medium pieces. Add some salt to taste. Add half tablespoon lemon juice, half tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half tablespoon tandoori masala, half tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon garam masala, 2 tablespoon yogurt, 1 stock cube, and then give it a nice mix. And marinate it for about 1 hour. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 1 onion roughly cut, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 cloves, 3 green cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, 1 green chili, 4 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, 5 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 20 cashew nuts, 4 tomatoes roughly cut, and then fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes until the onion is nice and soft and tomatoes are just leaving the skin. Then add 2 cups water and then cover it and boil it for about 15 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. As you can see that the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then leave it aside and cool it down completely. Then in a hot pan add oil. Then simply fry the marinated chicken. Fry it until the chicken is nice and golden brown. Once ready, simply leave it in a separate plate. So once the tomato and onion mix is cooled down, add it to the mixer jar. And then blend it to a smooth paste. So the paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then take a bowl and simply strain the paste. This makes sure that the gravy is nice and smooth. As you can see that the paste is nice and smooth. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 2 tablespoons butter, and then add 1 onion chopped, and then fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, and then fry it for a minute. Then add the masala paste. And then give it a nice mix. Then add 2 cups water and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then add half tablespoon sugar and then add the cooked chicken. Add 1 cup double cream, 1 tablespoon butter, 3 tablespoon ketchup, and add some salt to taste. Then add 1 stock cube and then give it a nice mix. Then allow it to boil. Then give it a nice mix. Then add 1 tablespoon kasuri methi and then give it a nice mix. Then boil it until the gravy is nice and thick. And there you have it guys, a mouth-watering butter chicken that's sure to impress your friends and family. Be sure to let me know in the comments below that how you enjoyed this recipe. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes to come. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.